Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make deviled eggs without relish. First, let's get those eggs perfectly hard-boiled. Place 6 large eggs in a pot and cover them with about 1 inch of cold water. Bring the water to a rolling boil, then immediately turn off the heat, cover the pot, and let them sit for exactly 10 minutes. This method ensures a firm yolk without any green ring. Once your eggs are cool, carefully peel them. Then, slice each egg in half lengthwise and gently scoop the bright yellow yolks into a small bowl. Take a fork and mash those yolks until they are completely smooth, with no lumps. Now, add 3 tablespoons of creamy mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of tangy Dijon mustard to the mashed yolks. These ingredients form the base of our delicious, relish-free filling. Now it's time to season our filling to perfection. Sprinkle in 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1/8 teaspoon of freshly ground black pepper. For a little extra zing, you can also add a dash of your favorite hot sauce if you like. Mix everything together really well until the mixture is light, fluffy, and perfectly combined. Taste and adjust seasonings if needed. Remember, balance is key. Finally, it's time to fill our egg white halves. You can use a small spoon for a rustic look or a piping bag for a more elegant presentation. Carefully mound the creamy yolk mixture into each egg white. For a beautiful finish, sprinkle a little paprika over the top or add some fresh chopped chives. These deviled eggs are a classic, easy appetizer that everyone will love. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those handy meal prep containers and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, relish-free deviled eggs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.